Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about HVAC preventive maintenance, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Let's jump right into it. HVAC preventive maintenance, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. HVAC systems are the unsung heroes of our homes and offices, providing comfort and clean air year-round. However, like any mechanical system, they require regular maintenance to function efficiently and reliably. Preventive maintenance is the key to keeping your HVAC system running smoothly, saving energy, and extending its lifespan. Why is HVAC preventive maintenance important? Improved efficiency. Regular maintenance can significantly improve the energy efficiency of your HVAC system, reducing your utility bills. Enhanced air quality. Clean filters and regular system checks can help maintain optimal indoor air quality. Extended lifespan. Preventive maintenance can prevent minor issues from escalating into major problems, extending the lifespan of your HVAC system. Reduced repair costs. By addressing potential problems early on, you can avoid costly breakdowns and repairs. HVAC preventive maintenance checklist. Inspect and clean air filters. Replace dirty filters regularly, as recommended by the manufacturer. Clean or replace reusable filters to ensure optimal airflow. Check and clean coils. Clean the condenser and evaporator coils to remove dirt and debris. Ensure proper airflow around the coils. Lubricate moving parts. Lubricate motors, fans, and other moving components with the appropriate lubricant. Inspect ductwork. Check for leaks, damage, and insulation issues in the ductwork. Seal any gaps or leaks to improve system efficiency. Test thermostat. Verify that the thermostat is functioning correctly and accurately. Calibrate the thermostat to ensure proper temperature control. Inspect electrical connections. Check for loose or damaged wiring and connections. Ensure that all electrical components are securely fastened. Monitor refrigerant levels. Regularly monitor the refrigerant levels in your HVAC system. Add refrigerant as needed to maintain optimal performance. Clean drain pan. Remove any debris or clogs from the drain pan to prevent water damage. Professional maintenance. While you can perform some basic maintenance tasks yourself, it's essential to schedule regular professional maintenance checks. A qualified HVAC technician can identify and address potential issues. Experienced technicians can detect and fix minor problems before they escalate. Optimize system performance. They can fine-tune your system to ensure optimal efficiency and comfort. Provide expert advice. They can offer valuable advice on energy-saving tips and system upgrades. Conclusion. By prioritizing HVAC preventive maintenance, you can enjoy a more comfortable, healthier, and energy-efficient living or working environment. Remember, a well-maintained HVAC system is a reliable system, so make it a part of your regular home or business maintenance routine.
Found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.